Taku toi kahurangi ko te puna o te ora. When a drop of water comes out of the tap, what springs to mind? Do you think about the journey that drop of water has traveled? Did it fall playfully from the sky? Or crystallize on an alpine glacier? Did it trickle from a spring, tumbling down a stream filled with pebbles and greenstone? Or did it torrent down a river, flooding everything in its path? Did it break free from a lake and journey thousands of kilometers through winding pipes to feed our cities? Is it weary from its travels, like we feel after a long, hard day? Water sustains us. We grew up in its embrace, from the moment the sun rises over the Pacific to when it sets across the Tasman. Water is part of our lives. It's been the same since creation, yet it's always changing. Water carries our hopes and dreams and nourishes our plants and animals. Water gives us a spirit of adventure. It brings the world to our feet. Water is the heart of our nation. Here's to those who are the custodians of our precious waterways. Here's to those that cleanse and clean. Here's to those who maintain our networks and keep our communities connected. Here's to those who work through the day and into the night to ensure our summers are fun and our winters are warm. Here's to those who keep our wilderness pure and protect our way of life. Whether it's an emergency response, big or small, or just everyday life. Here's to those who help millions of us every year. We're in safe hands with people who love what they do and take pride in bringing water to you.